Should the government be running business? Governments should not be running any business. Government should use taxes to provide education, healthcare, security, and look after the welfare of its people and provide an environment to establish business. That being said, not all existing PSUs should be privatized. When did the Vizag steel plant start? Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited was formed on 18th February 1982. At birth, it was separated from SAIL. RINL was made the corporate entity of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant in April 1982. How are steel prices in today's market? Steel price has tripled in the last 5 years. This is mainly due to the monopoly of 4 to 5 companies. Why did steel plant run in loss? VSP is in debt due to modernization and expansion. As we turn the corner into profits, government wants to sell it. Most importantly, VSP is buying from Belladala Iron Ore Mine, Chhattisgarh. These mines were awarded to Adani Enterprises in 2018, just weeks before the BJP was voted out in the state elections. VSP is spending 3,472 crores additional cost in just procuring raw materials. If Belladala mines are awarded to VSP, cost of raw material will come down to 600 to 1200 and it will be on its path to success. Are these losses real? No, these losses are only on balance sheets. The government did not lose any money yet. This balance sheet can be adjusted by moving the debt to equity and can be shown as profit. What's government ROI on Vizag steel plant? Central government has spent rupees 5,000 crores till date, collected rupees 40,000 crores in dividend and taxes in the last 30 years. Who is POSCO? Are they reliable? POSCO is a South Korean steel company. POSCO was given iron ore mines and permissions, but they did not start any plant in West Bengal, Jharkhand or Orissa. POSCO had plans to set up a new steel plant next to the existing steel plant, but changed their plans later to acquire the existing plant. What options does Vizag steel plant have? Vizag steel plant may invite new investors to set up a new steel plant in Vizag next to an existing plant. How does it matter if the government runs the show or POSCO or Adani runs the show? If POSCO runs the plant, employees, salaries, government taxes, all three will be reduced. Profits will be moved to South Korea. Steel cost will increase and it will add more burden to buy steel to build homes, hospitals and any infrastructure. Can we run Vizag steel plant on its own? Ambani, Adani, Jindal can get iron mines, but not state-run plants? Captive mines should be allocated. Create a level playing field. Refinance the loan at a lesser price. Today we pay 14% interest on the loan and most industries pay around 7 to 8%. Work with the lenders and adjust the balance sheet to classify debts as assets. Show the company in profits. Make it a public listed company or a cooperative society with 50% NRI investors. Provide an exit plan for the banks or lenders. Once public, the plant will be able to raise funds at very competitive rates from the domestic and overseas financial markets, which will help keep its cost of borrowing low. Can't Vizag steel plant be brought under Steel Authority of India Limited? SAIL has mines that last for 200 years and also has Rourkela steel plant, Bhilai steel plant, Durgapur steel plant, Bokaro steel plant, ISCO steel plant. Yes, Vizag steel plant should be adopted by SAIL as its 6th child. Can't Vizag steel plant be brought under the National Mineral Development Corporation? NDMC has 100 million tons of steel mines. NDMC is getting ready with its first steel plant, the Nagarnar steel plant in Chhattisgarh. Vizag steel plant should be brought under NDMC, and Vizag steel plant vast experience and knowledge will bring success to both these plants. Is merge with SAIL or NDMC fair? In 2016, the Modi government forced ONGC to acquire gas blocks in Krishna Godavari Basin belonging to Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation for rupees 8,000 crore. This, despite the fact that after a huge investment of rupees 20,000 crore by GSPC, hasn't resulted in any production. With this acquisition, the ONGC debt rose to rupees 1 lakh crores in 2018 as compared to rupees 50,000 crores in 2017. Once financially self-sufficient, the ONGC took an overdraft from the banks for payment of salaries and allowances to the employees. Compared to the merger, VSP is a much safer merger. What happened when Hindustan Zinc was privatized? Veneta purchased Hindustan Zinc and stopped zinc production and entered into real estate business with the raw land it acquired. Are private steel plants successful? SR Steel failed. Only successful steel plant is Tata Steel, Jamshedpur. You cannot say that all private firms will be successful. What's a steel plant worth today? Equipment, machinery, developed real estate asset in terms of township worth 1 lakh crores. 19,800 acres unused real estate worth of 1 lakh crores. Total unauthorized appraisal is 2 lakh crores, and we cannot quantify its influence on Vizag financial stability and providing other employment opportunities and making Vizag a city of destiny. And what's government RFP value? Rupees 35,000 crores. The sale of Vizag steel plant is not justified in any way. This will have unintended consequences on the city of destiny and the economy of the state. I hope this message will resonate with the people of my beloved state and country.